Today, we are going to talk about Serbia residency and work permit. Please like, subscribe and share. Getting a work permit in Serbia can be a complex and time-consuming process, especially for foreign nationals who wish to work in the country. Several factors contribute to this complexity, including bureaucratic procedures, lengthy processing times, and strict requirements for obtaining a work permit. One of the primary challenges of obtaining a work permit in Serbia is navigating the bureaucratic procedures involved. The process typically involves several government agencies, including the Ministry of Labor, Employment and Social Policy and the National Employment Service, each with its own set of rules and regulations. The paperwork required for the application process can also be extensive and time-consuming, requiring multiple documents such as a work contract, a medical certificate, and a police clearance certificate. Another factor that contributes to the complexity of obtaining a work permit in Serbia is the lengthy processing times. The application process can take several weeks or even months to complete, and this can be frustrating for foreign nationals who may have already secured a job offer and are eager to start work. Additionally, the processing times can be affected by various factors, including the availability of staff, the volume of applications, and the accuracy and completeness of the application. Furthermore, strict requirements for obtaining a work permit can also add to the complexity of the process. To be eligible for a work permit in Serbia, foreign nationals must meet certain criteria, such as having a valid passport and a work contract with a Serbian employer. They must also demonstrate that they have the necessary qualifications and experience for the job, and that there are no Serbian citizens who can perform the same job. In conclusion, obtaining a work permit in Serbia can be a complex and challenging process due to several factors, including bureaucratic procedures, lengthy processing times, and strict requirements. As such, it is essential for foreign nationals who wish to work in Serbia to thoroughly research the requirements and procedures involved and seek professional assistance if necessary to ensure a successful application. Let's us elaborate on the steps. Step 1. Obtaining a job offer in Serbia. The first step in obtaining a work permit in Serbia is to secure a job offer from a Serbian employer. the employer must apply for a work permit on behalf of the foreign national, and this process can only begin once the job offer has been accepted by the foreign national. Step 2. Gathering required documents. After securing a job offer, the foreign national must gather all the required documents for the work permit application. These documents typically include a valid passport, a work contract signed by both the employer and employee, a medical certificate, and a police clearance certificate. The work contract must include information such as the job description, salary, and duration of employment. Step 3. Submitting the application. The next step is to submit the work permit application to the Ministry of Labor, Employment, and Social Policy. The application must be submitted by the employer, along with all the required documents. It is essential to ensure that all documents are accurate and complete, as incomplete or inaccurate applications can lead to delays or even rejection of the application. Step 4. Waiting for processing. After submitting the application, the employer and employee must wait for it to be processed. The processing times can vary and depend on various factors, including the volume of applications, the accuracy and completeness of the application, and the availability of staff. In general, the processing time can range from several weeks to several months. Step 5. Receiving the work permit. Once the work permit application is approved, the foreign national will receive a work permit. This permit allows them to work in Serbia for the duration specified in the work contract. It is essential to note that the work permit is tied to the specific job and employer, and if the foreign national wishes to change jobs or employers, they must obtain a new work permit. Step 6. Registering for residence. Foreign nationals who obtain a work permit must register for temporary residence in Serbia within 3 days of arrival. The process involves registering with the local police station and providing proof of accommodation, health insurance, and financial means to support themselves. Thank you. Please share, subscribe and like for more videos like this.